Hello everyone, in this video we will see how we can move files from one domain to another domain, or in simple word how we can change the domain of our Worksuite application. So let's get started. So we have a Worksuite installed on retroflow.in, which is on cpanel. So we would like to move this or install the transfer the files and with the database to new domain. Let me create the separate domain for that, and the new domain is, let's name it transfer, and let me click it OK. So this subdomain is on Plesk server, and the file that we are going to move is on cpanel. So let's start. I have created a separate subdomain for that. So for that, let's jump back to the cpanel and go to the document root. Here are all the files. We will select all files from here, skip this no, and just I will be skipping this part also for that I used for the installation. And now I will zip this complete file. Let me zip it, compress, zip, and let me name it worksuite.info.zip and compress it. It will take some time. Meanwhile, let's also back up the database. For that, we will go back to cpanel, search for phpMyAdmin, and here we have Retroflow app. We will export it. Click on export. Let me click on export. So the database is exported and downloaded also. So let's jump back to the file manager. So it's compressed. Let me download this also. Here it is, and click on download. So it's getting downloaded. We'll wait for some time. Meanwhile, let's jump back to the new server, that is transfer.this. Let me open it on a new tab. So we are getting this page. That means that subdomain is working. In that case, we'll go to upload files and delete this index.html file, remove on the new server, and upload the downloaded file. So it's downloaded and I am uploading it. Close. Let me extract it. Extract files, replace existing. So the files are extracted. Let me open it and reload it. So we are getting the login page, means we open public. We are getting this page, means the files are moved. Let's now connect the database. For that, we'll go back to domains and select the subdomain for which we are doing. We'll go to database. Let me create a separate database for it. The name is transfer, and let's generate the password. Username, password show. Let me copy this password and click on OK. And after doing this, we'll go back to file manager, list files, and we'll open the .env file. Open this .env file, and in the database it's admin_transfer. Same is the username, admin_transfer, and the database, the password is this. We will also change the app URL to transfer dot worksuite.info and everything. Do not change this key. Keep the key as such, otherwise the application won't work. Save. And the database username password is done. Let's import the database now. For that we'll go back to the domains, and here we will be searching for database, and then for the database we'll go to phpMyAdmin, and here we will import the database. Let's import it. Here is the database. Click on import. So it's importing. Let's wait for a while. So the import gets completed. So the import is done. Now the next step is clear the cache. This is the URL. Let's enter clear cache in the URL. So the cache is clear. Let's click here to login. So as you can see, the files are moved to new server, new domain, and it seems to be working. Let me log in with the password 123. Sorry, it was. So it's moved now. If you are getting the page, let me open that page. Public verify purchase. If you are getting this page, just enter the purchase code and email. You will get the error message that your purchase code has been linked to old domain. In the error message you will get the URL from where you can update your domain. So just visit that URL and request for the new domain. So if you still face any issue, do contact us and our team will resolve the issue. And apart from this, let's see what anything is left or not. So the files are moved, database is moved, database connection is done in .env file, and cache is clear from the URL. If the cache is not clear from the URL, I would suggest go to website file manager, and here in the bootstrap file we have cache. Select all the files and delete it. Select all and remove these files, and we are good to go. As we are migrating the files, let's remove the public also in a very quick. Let's go back to Plesk, select domains, and in the domains select the domain and go to hosting. Select hosting, and here just point to the public directory and click save, and it's done. Let's reload it and we'll see 400 in a while. It will take some time for the DNS propagation. So yeah, as we are seeing 40, let's just remove the public from the URL and we are good to go. So the files are now transferred to the new domain with also public removed. If you still face any issue, contact us and I will try to resolve all your issues. Thank you.